2. I have no idea how long the battery on my camera is actually going to last, so we're going to give this a quick shot. I've used Prizm pours. It's 16 by 20 inch canvas. I have a paddle, some PBO gold, iridescent gold, some ginger flower primary elements, and some midnight shadow. I kind of feel like I should have grabbed some white too. But I wanted some blue in this, so blue I shall have. I'm going to use some of the white, Amsterdam white. I may have to tip this myself, which means I'm going to get very painty. This is the ginger flower. Well, it was when it was open. There we go. I'm going to scrape that off. I hope that I didn't ruin it. It's always a possibility. Because I'm not seeing any cells, which is really weird. I forgot my studio rag. So we'll just wipe that off. We're getting something. Yay. I've got some Amsterdam black. I'm going to wipe off my paddle. Again. I feel like I should be putting this right onto the painting instead of on the paddle. I just wanted more drama. Than I had. And I'm getting some. Yay! I like the cells. I'm good with that. I'm gonna wipe off my tool, and if I've got a paper towel, I'll use that. Yep, I'm happier with that by far. So thank you guys for joining me. I'm thinking about using one of my little toothy tools. Excuse me, not toothy tool, one of my acetate tools. But I don't think I want a really big one. I think I might like to have one of the smaller ones. I'll try and remember to include the tutorial. Where do I want to put it? That's the question. So wild as that is, it has more dimension than the other one did, so I'm good with that. And I'm going to use my Del end of my skewer to add a little more dimension still. I never did have so much paint to begin with that I would worry about it. Just a few waggles back and forth. I like it. It does still remind me of my first year paintings. But that's okay. Some of them were pretty awesome by accident. Alright, I'm probably going to torch really quickly, and that may bring up a few more cells. So let's do that now so I can clean up. Whatever I forgot to tell you guys in the first time was please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. Oh, I am getting some really nice cells. They're popping. I better be careful not to melt the plastic on the painting behind me. Oh yeah, no, I'm liking this a lot. You can't always get everything done in a one-stage process. I did melt my plastic, so I won't be using this again. And hopefully it won't be a problem. And I've got a newly decorated edge catcher. Okay, so that, my friends, I cannot turn around for you, but I can shimmer it at you again. So that is what I will do, to the best of my ability. Oh yeah, we got some really pretty stuff in there now. Wow, love that. Love this, love, love, love. Love those. Ha ha ha. And that tool that I used is a Colourarte tool. You can find it and probably still use that 20% off coupon code underneath the video. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me, obviously. I don't think I have any paint on my edges that I need to worry about. I didn't put any spirals in here, but you know what? It's never too late. So we have one. That might be a little obnoxious. Maybe I should blow it out. Now it just looks like a dragon. Big dragon eye. Alright, I'm glad we didn't lose our battery. But before we do, I'll say goodbye. On the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my Amazon link where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. What else? If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. You feel free to ask me questions. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. When you share my videos, you help me out. Thank you for your wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I want you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Really glad I did this. I wanted to have a 16 by 20 inch Prizm pour and primary elements from Colourarte painting, and now I do. I will see you guys anon. I love you much. Hang in there, everybody. See ya.